We are at seafood market trying to grab a crab, which is around 5 to 6 kilos. Wow, it's huge. And I just tried it a while ago, and it tastes fresh. The flavors are there. It's really lovely. Let's go for the others. I'll show you. And it's alive. Oh my God. It's a bit scary. At the same time, tasty. Here we have the king lobster. I try to grab them. Oh my God. It's a bit scary. Oh. 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 I think it's like 2 to 3 to 4 kilos. Wow. Look at it. It's huge. Ah, it's so heavy. Come. What they have here, it's different kinds of prawns. King, I think this is like tiger prawn. This one, squid. Let me show it to you. There. They're all fresh. And the prices you see, whatever you pay per kilo, it's the same price as what you ask them to cook. They can fry it for you, they can grill it for you. Whatever you ask for it, they'll do it. They have shells over there, lobster, king lobster, crabs, local crabs from Dubai. There, they have more lobster, king crabs, still king crabs. They have hamur. Their fish is really good. Here also, I tried this oysters. It's really fresh. You don't have to cook it raw. Just add some lemon. It's lovely. It's really tasty. They have more different kinds of fish over here. Here also they have what is it? Sea bass, dorade, sardine. There it's anchovies. They have red snappers, hammer, Norwegian salmon, and over here, take a look at this, abalone. These are, if I'll be able to catch one of them, I'll show it to you. It's really hard to get. I need to ask for help. They're not removable, but they look. Can you have one of these? Can you try to grab? How do you take it?
It's very hard.
Yeah, it's really hard. Wow. It was a bit chewy, no?
Yes.
I just tried it a while ago. Look at it. It's a shell. It's a bit chewy, and the taste and the flavor is a bit hard meat, but it was tasty. They added some. Look, I'm gonna drop it. Look up. Look from down. It's gonna get up and swim and go close to the glass. Look, it's moving. They're all alive. Oh, well, they have more prawns over there. It's live Australian lobster. I think this is one of the best kinds. I've tried this before in the Philippines. Come over. They have more crabs, more fish, and let's go to the kitchen. I'll check if we can go there. They have vegetables over here. You can choose. If you don't mind, can we show a part of the kitchen from here?
Yeah, sure.
If it's okay. Come. The chefs are making and cooking. Can I enter or no? Is it possible, Madam? Is it possible to go inside?
I will check just one second.
Just from the far, not too close. It's fine. Thank you. It's okay. We won't go close. We won't disturb them. So as you can see, come closer. They have a grilling part. They fry. They put in the oven. A bit closer. This is their fryer. It's huge. They put the whole fish inside. Steam frying the vegetables. Chinese style. And all the sauces are here. Smells good, no? Hi, chef. I'm a chef also. They have a grill over there. They also have live cooking show, and you can see the outside. Mini bar, cafe, and VIP rooms for meetings. The food was great. King crab.
Also everything, or is it extra?
No, it's included.
Included.
So whatever is the price from the market,
What's that?
that's crispy here.
Lobster, king prawns, noodles with fish, sweet and sour fish. Hummer. Fried rice? Thank you. Fresh oyster. What they do, usually they just add lemon, and it's a bit salty because it's in the sea. I'm going to add a little of pepper, and of course, it's enough. Some hot sauce. Amazing. It's raw. It was good. Not too spicy. What do you think? Would you like to try? Please. So what we have here is king crab, which you can see fresh meat all the way in the state of Iran. We have hammer fish with sweet and sour sauce. Here we have king lobster, fried noodles with fish, mixed bread. Here we have king prawns. Everything you see here, you may order over there and you pay per kilos. Whatever they add to the food, the sauces, the taste, the flavors, you don't have to pay any additional. I highly recommend this place, and everything here is fresh. Shall we eat? Not yet. They're making our desserts. What's it made of?
Strawberry Kilimanjaro.
Strawberry
Kilimanjaro.
Kilimanjaro. I don't know what exactly it is. It's butter, strawberry, sugar. They have cream over here. Cream, vanilla ice cream.
Almond flakes will be
Yes.
halal allergy, right?
Yeah, no allergies. Add it. Wow, looks yummy. Tastes yummy, yeah? Definitely. seafood market.